My name is Joel Bradburn. I'm the manager of the Portsmouth Paducah Project Office. And I just want to tell you how proud I am of all the work that you've accomplished and how safely the work has been performed. We've got about 4,000 folks throughout the PPPO family, federal, contractor, labor alike. And the work we do is hazardous. The work we do is important for our communities. The work we do is important for our nation. And you do it well, you do it proudly, and you do it professionally. Our standards are high, and we strive to be the best we can be. And I will tell you that safety performance-wise, it's the best that we've ever seen, especially when you consider the work that we do. Thank you so much for your collaboration. It's not just a conversation locally at one of the sites, it's a conversation across sites. And I can't tell you how important that is, not just for one organization, but for the EM organization as a whole. You set the standard, you set the pace, and I couldn't be more proud. Thank you so much.
In March, the Secretary of Energy recognized PPPO's Judd Lilly as the Federal Project Director of the Year for his exceptional leadership on Portsmouth's capital asset projects. For this calendar year, PPPO committed to 2 EM priorities that will advance DOE's complex-wide cleanup mission. At the Paducah site, we removed 1 million pounds of hazardous R114 refrigerant, increasing our production disposition to more than 65% of the total 8.5 million pound inventory and successfully achieving our first EM priority. Our second priority, the deactivation of the X333 process building at the Portsmouth site, is wrapping up in preparation for demolition start next year. More than 130,000 characterization measurements were taken, over 208 miles of piping, 626 converters were removed, and 13,000 cubic yards of compressor debris were disposed of at the on-site waste disposal facility. Deactivation activities are also in full swing at the first process building in Paducah. In FY24, the team increased progress on removing and downsizing the massive process equipment out of the C333 process building. More than 190 converters have been disconnected, 125 converters segmented, and 100 bundles crushed. To remove hazards and continue clearing land for future transfer, more than a dozen excess facilities were demolished at the Paducah site, including the iconic 300,000-gallon, 300-foot-tall water tower. At Portsmouth, the on-site waste disposal facility expanded into the second phase of construction in preparation for demolition debris from the X333 process building. Further reinforcing our collaboration approach, PPPO partnered with the state of Kentucky and the US EPA on regulatory realignment framework for Paducah site cleanup that will advance DOE's cleanup mission and generate opportunities for accelerating land transfer to support immediate interest in communities' vision for commercial clean energy development. PPPO's third major cleanup project continues to process the inventory of depleted uranium hexafluoride. Upgrades and improvements completed at the Portsmouth and Paducah conversion plants provided safer material handling and efficiencies in processing cylinders. In sustainability efforts, PPPO sites continue to support initiatives for a greener tomorrow. The Paducah site completed utility upgrades and the site-wide installation of LED streetlights. The Paducah site also earned the DOE Fiscal Year 2024 Green Fleet Award for ordering zero-emission vehicles for all their new light-duty cars and trucks. The Portsmouth site installed the first publicly accessible electric vehicle charging stations in Pike County, Ohio, at the Joint Information Center. The Portsmouth site leads the EM complex in EV charging station installations. This year, we continued efforts to attract the next generation workforce by onboarding new Pathways professionals and supporting professional internships for students from area colleges and universities, including minority-serving institutions. 87 interns across the PPPO enterprise supported engineering, business, IT and cybersecurity, human resources, field service, and more. As commercial interest increases for redevelopment at the PPPO sites, land transfer is in full swing. At the Portsmouth site, we are completing the 48-acre Parcel 3 land transfer and initiating the Parcel 4 transfer process. At the Paducah site, we received the first request from the community for approximately 250 acres of land that has commercial interest for redevelopment. The One PPPO team is investing in cleanup strategies that will set the stage for future generations. Ultimately, our goal is to successfully accomplish the EM cleanup mission, transfer acreage to the community for industrial use, and provide a skilled workforce for future economic opportunities. Together, we are safely working for a shared vision of a cleaner and prosperous tomorrow.